Hey, good morning, it's Tim. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to use our roof system. This is an employee training video. So first thing, what you want to do is check the valve. The arrow is pointing over towards the left. That means that it's on water, and the last time it was used, it was rinsed through. So super easy here. Left side points to water. So if you're going to be turning this thing back on, grab and support this tube right here and turn this knob to the right towards the bleach. So, and you can dial this in on any type of percentage that you want. A lot of times for roof cleaning, we will just go with a 5 to 6% depending on how bad it is. Detergent, I usually put it in that towards like an 8 or somewhere in about there. The water always stays full on. So that's how you use it. And then you come over here, flip the on switch to on. It'll stop once it builds up pressure. Going on over here, here's the soft wash hose. What you want to do is spray this in a safe area, preferably in some rocks or some area where it's okay to purge out the water. So this is full of water from rinsing the hose out before. So keep on spraying until you see pink. Once it's pink, that's the marker in the roof mix and it's ready to start spraying. Be careful pulling this. If this thing gets caught on stuff, it will spray. You don't want any hot mix spraying on areas while you're dragging hose, through a yard or anything like that. So probably a best thing to do with this is just take it to where you're going to go and then drag the hose, but don't drag this because it's going to best practice, that's the word I was thinking for. You drag this is going to spray. Going back over here, once you dial in your mix, when you go to rinse this, turn the soap off because you don't want to be pulling soap while you're rinsing. Take this, turn it back towards water. This goes all the way on. This is always on, the soap's off. And again, spray it in an area where you can purge out the line of the bleach until you see it running clear, and then you're good to go. That is the roof cleaning training video. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me and I can clarify anything that might have been missed in this video.